Righto, Talio there, champs, and it's that time of the year. Yes, new XPS 15, new XPS 17, and what's going in it? I'm going to tell you in this video. It's getting like launched tomorrow. Like, that is crazy. And I think we know what an XPS 15 17 looks like. Have a look at it here. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? Yep, that definitely looks good, that, doesn't it? Oh, that's amazing. Oh, even better. You know what an XPS 17 and 15 looks like. One thing I will say is no one has caught up to Dell in design here. So when I said in 2020 that your laptop will look like this one day, still in 2022, only Dell have this Infinity Edge display that is basically all display, and it's really surprising to me that no one else has been able to get to that design. It happened in 2015 with the first XPS line. It took years for manufacturers to catch up, and they still haven't caught up now. So yeah. So what's going into it? This is going to be a very short video. Alright, so this is the XPS 15, and all you need to know is, let's go into it. You can screenshot these if you like, screenshot that. Let's get into the specs, what we want to know, and of course 12th generation CPUs up to a 12900 HK. Why you want a HK in this sort of, package? It's a bit overpowered there, maybe to undervolted or whatever, that's fine. DDR5, okay, that's it. I promise you, that is it. So that's basically it. 12th generation CPUs, DDR5. It says here 4 terabytes you can fit in the XPS 15. Is that right? Okay. The same graphics card. Okay. Up to RTX 3050 Ti. Same displays there. The awesome OLED, that 3K OLED display is amazing, and you can get a touch as well. You can get the 4K plus. Beautiful displays. They're really good. 400 nits for the OLED, 500 nits for the 4K plus, and you can get a full HD if you really want great battery life. And other than that, that's about it. Of course, you get Thunderbolt. Same battery size, 86 watt hours, same sort of weights there. I looked at the Wi-Fi and it's still Wi-Fi 6, no 6E. So yeah, let's get into the 17. 17 is basically the same thing. You can screenshot these things. Yep. And let's get into the specs, and you can see same sort of thing. 12th generation CPUs, 12900 HK, up to 64 gigs, DDR5. Same sort of support for the SSDs there. They are at PCI Express 4 if you didn't know that, both of them. Up to an RTX 3060, which is good because it's got 6 gigabytes of RAM. Same sort of displays there, 4K plus, Full HD plus, and the same thing. Wi-Fi 6, same battery size, 97 watt hours, same pretty much everything else. So this is just a minor sort of spec update. I definitely think if you have any of these XPS 15s or 17s from 2020, so basically this design, if you have any XPS like this, definitely do not upgrade. In fact, if you were going to be in the market for a new XPS, I would probably pick up the older one on a deal, because these are rather expensive. Come out tomorrow. I think they're 3.5K in Australia and 4K for the XPS 17. So yeah, that is what it is. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you have got one of these recently, I would probably wait until, the next generation of NVIDIA graphics comes out, and maybe you have the 13th generation, or maybe it'd be 12th generation, just a new GPU as well. So yeah, catch you in the next one, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. Tally ho.